Information Technology, IT, would like to introduce our new service management tool. It will be an easier, more convenient, faster way for you to request assistance and stay informed with the status of your requests. Here are ways to contact IT. 3 of them are through the self-service portal. If it's an enterprise-wide application you're having difficulty with, check the system status on the portal page as well. Oh, and by the way, there's an additional link to chat with Help Desk from the My Charleston login page. If you are a faculty and staff member and you need to contact Help Desk after business hours for an emergency, you will need to leave a message for the on-call technician. They'll get back to you. The self-service portal is an easy-to-use web-based application available both on and off campus from a computer or a mobile device. The portal offers 2 approaches for support. You may need information that answers a question. A knowledge base is a collection of articles intended to inform and empower individuals to troubleshoot and solve issues on their own. A service catalog is a list of available technology resources and offerings from information technology. Maybe you need permissions for an account or access to something new. Both types of support will enable you to be more productive with your daily routine. All in all, it's easy to navigate, more informative, and a faster way to get the help you need. Not sure about using a knowledge-based system? The knowledge base is the best place to start. It may not be necessary to open a request after viewing the knowledge base. Articles are based on frequent questions to Help Desk. Entries include step-by-step instructions and have links to related articles and service requests. Best of all, it's there when you need it. From the portal landing page, you can check the status of applications, search the knowledge base and service catalog, reset your My Charleston password, look at your open tickets, create a ticket accessing the service catalog, and chat with Help Desk. Let's take a closer look. This is the service catalog. There are 4 ways to search for a service. From the search box at the top, by using an available choice from the catalog, by selecting the A to Z services, or from the search in the toolbar menu. Using the search in the toolbar menu gives you an opportunity to narrow the search by adding a category. After you select a service, you'll see more information about it. This is the Campus Wireless form, for example. Make sure you click the blue Submit button on the top right to open the form. Before you can access your open tickets or create a new request, you'll need to log into the self-service portal. Use your My Charleston information. Each request form asks for specific information for IT to evaluate and solve the request. Please provide as much information as possible. You'll need to select the Request button at the bottom of the form to complete the request. You will get a confirmation that the ticket was created. Including in the confirmation is the ID number for that request. There will also be links to create another request of this type, view the request you just created, or view all of your ticket requests. If you chose the link View the request you just created, you'll see information on the ticket, including the service request ID number. From this link, you can withdraw the request or add an attachment. Along with the confirmation links, you can easily view your technical support requests and communicate with technicians using a link provided in the automatic email you receive, or by logging into the portal and selecting My Open Tickets. That's the self-service portal. It's easy to use, available 24/7. You can find answers in the knowledge base and see your tickets in progress. The portal gives you flexibility to view your requests and communicate with the technician using links from an email, ticket confirmations, or logging directly into the self-service portal and selecting My Requests. Thank you for watching this video. Should you need assistance with technology or for the self-service portal, please contact Help Desk.